In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your ICICI FASTag to ICICI iMobile app if you are an ICICI bank account holder. So once you purchase the ICICI FASTag, after its activation, you can easily link the FASTag to your ICICI iMobile app. By linking your ICICI FASTag to iMobile app, you will be able to manage your FASTag through the ICICI iMobile Pay app itself. Like you can recharge, you can check your balance and many more. You can even apply for replacement or you can close the FASTag to the iMobile app. So let's find out how we can link the ICICI FASTag in ICICI iMobile app. First of all, the main requirement to link your ICICI FASTag to ICICI iMobile banking app is the mobile number registered with a FASTag should be same as registered with the ICICI iMobile app or your ICICI bank account. So let's get started. Open the ICICI iMobile app. Log in into your account by entering the PIN. Once you have logged in into your iMobile app, tap on the ICICI FASTag option. Here on this page you will get link new vehicle. Just tap on it. It will fetch the active FASTag on your mobile number. It will display the customer ID. Just tick mark on it. You can tap on view vehicle to view the registration number of the vehicle and then tap on the continue button. You have chosen to link the following customer ID. Just tap on continue. You have successfully added the FASTag to your iMobile app. So from here you can easily manage your FASTag, like you can recharge it, you can check the balance, you can tap on manage and order a replacement, deactivate it or close it. So through iMobile you can manage your FASTag easily. So this is how you can easily link your ICICI FASTag in ICICI iMobile app if you are ICICI bank account holder.